Hi friends, this video shows what is adaptive brightness and how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to display, tap here. So here you can see adaptive brightness. Right now this is off. Let me turn on adaptive brightness. Tap here. Done. See, now adaptive brightness is on. Then tap on this brightness level. So here you can see the brightness 52%. So let me test this adaptive brightness. Just put this hand on top of the phone. You can see now phone is automatically decreasing the brightness level. Now it's the 33%. Let me take this hand. See, now it's increasing. Now it's 49%. So phone will automatically adjust brightness level, so based on the environment light. So that is the adaptive brightness. So if you want this feature, you can enable like this. If you don't want, you can tap here and disable. Done. So this is the adaptive brightness. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.